Hello everybody, this is Katerina from Dolled Up Desserts, and today I'm going to show you how we make our delicious chocolate peanut butter cup brownies. At Dolled Up Desserts, we absolutely love putting together different flavor combinations, but you can never really go wrong with the classic peanut butter and chocolate. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to up the ante on the chocolate using our dark chocolate brownies, throw in some of our classic peanut butter cups topped with peanuts and sea salt, and then put a nice peanut butter swirl right on top of the brownie. Let's do it. Alright, so the first thing that we have to do is make the peanut butter cups. That is essential to make peanut butter cup brownies. So I took 2 cups of dark chocolate and melted it and put it in my piping bag. I take my melted chocolate in my piping bag and I pipe a small amount into each cup, enough to cover the bottom. Now I'm going to take mini balls of peanut butter, which are made from a 1/4 cup of natural peanut butter and a 1/4 cup of icing sugar mixed together, and put them in each cup. You want these to be about the size of a large chickpea, maybe bordering onto a Romano bean. I chose to use natural peanut butter in this case because I don't like the additional hydrogenated oils and sugars that are put into most peanut butters, and would prefer to add my own. Now that we have added peanut butter to each cup, we are going to fill the rest of the cup with more chocolate, enough to just cover the top of each peanut butter ball. So you could stop here at making your peanut butter cups and finish it off, but we want to take it to the next level because these are the ultimate peanut butter cup brownies. So I'm going to add a little bit of chopped peanut, and I'm going to add some sea salt. And now the final step with these peanut butter cups is to even it out by giving it a nice shake. It's time to put them into the freezer for about half an hour. And now for the best part, time to make the brownies. I'm going to take out the flaxseed pack and add it to 7 tablespoons of water and mix it with a whisk. Flaxseed is a wonderful egg replacement for brownies, specifically because it helps increase the moisture of the brownie. Flaxseed has starches inside the actual hull that, once milled, are exposed and can be mixed with water to create this goo-like, almost egg white-like texture that is perfect for increasing the moisture and structure of a brownie. Next, we add our liquids: 3/4 cup coconut oil and 1/3 cup maple syrup. We can now add our flaxseed to the blend. Now that our flax is added, let's mix it up. Once we've mixed it, we're going to add in the dry mix. We like using the baking mix on our channel, not because it just helps speed up what we're doing and makes it a lot easier to get closer to making dessert rather than spending your time on the basics, but we also like using our baking mixes because they're perfect. They're ready to make a brownie anytime you need them. You're more than welcome to use whatever brownie recipe that you feel is appropriate for this recipe. Now that our batter is ready to go, let's go grab those delicious peanut butter cups from the freezer and chop them right into the batter mix. These peanut butter cups, they're just so good. Okay, next step, we're gonna chop some of these up. It's your call if you want to chop them up. You can also put them on the top of your brownies once they're in the pan. I'm gonna chop mine up because I'd love to have some peanut butter cup chunks right inside my brownie. I'm gonna chop them in half, and I'm gonna chop them into quarters. My peanut butter cups are all chopped up. It's time to throw them into the batter. I may have sneaked maybe 4 or 5 peanut butter cups in the chopping. It'll be okay. I'm not putting in every single peanut butter cup because I'd like to stud the top. It's totally your choice what you want to do. Just make sure you stir them up. Those peanut butter cups are now mixed. It's time to put it into my lovely greased pan. I like to grease my pan with coconut oil, but I also like to use parchment paper. It makes it a lot easier to get the brownies out later. But if you want to make your brownies perfect, as in the entire sides are all in perfect shapes, because parchment paper tends to ruin the shape of things, you're just going to want to grease your pan. I'm decking the top out with a few more peanut butter cups. Now for the finishing peanut buttery touches, because peanut butter cup brownies need to be everything. I'm going to add some microwave natural peanut butter globs to the top. Got about half a cup here. And I'm just going to plop it in at every third of the way. Big spoonful and another big spoonful. Perfect. I'm gonna take a knife and I'm gonna spread it to make a beautiful peanut buttery topping. And be sure to top this bad boy off with a bit more peanut and sea salt flakes. So this peanut buttery pan of heaven is ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees for about half an hour. I'll see you when it's ready. Brownies have cooled, they're ready to go. They smell amazing. Let's cut them up. I honestly could eat this with a fork right now, but I'm just gonna make it look nice. Well, that's everything, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and learning how to make these super peanut buttery peanut butter cup chocolate brownies. If you liked what you see and want to keep up to date with all the wonderful things that come from Maldon Desserts, hit that subscribe button and be sure to check out all the other wonderful recipe and technique videos that we have on our channel. Excuse me while I enjoy my brownie. Oh my god.